Okay YouTubers, this is just a short clip to show you how to reset the service reminder on a VY Commodore. Works on the VZ as well. Now what you need to do is push the up and down buttons like so. You need to hold them down, then you need to turn the ignition on, which I will attempt to do whilst holding a camera. Hang on a sec. Okay, ignition on while holding the buttons in. She lights up. It says service reset. Then you let the buttons go and press and hold the set button. Comes up no items, and that's reset. So thanks for watching my video, and that's how you reset the